Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be opening up this creatures habitat kit I got a while back, and I also got me an Aquarium Planet Aquarium clip-on LED light. Now this is for aquariums, and we're going to make this into a terrarium, but it should work just fine. I think we're going to grow some nice plants with it. So first things first, I guess let's open this up. I don't think I need a knife or anything. Nice little tank. It's about 3.8 gallons, I believe. So still not sure what we're going to put in here. I think I'm going to start with just plants, and we'll see where we'll go from there. The little lid comes off. Got some little instruction manuals on fake plants, insects, and invertebrates. Got some fake plants here. You know what? This is perfect for this. Alright. Got us one of these little wooden caves, little tree trunks. These things are pretty cool, but for what I'm doing, I don't think I'm going to use this. So I might even put this here along with this fake tree stem I have. Alright, and this is our creature soil. Alright, I'm going to go rinse this off. Always rinse your aquariums. I'll be right back. Alright, so our tank's all rinsed. I have some pieces of rock right here. We'll see what we can do with them. And then I have some leca right here. It's a material made out of clay. It's going to help everything from molding up. It's going to help with moisture. So we want to put about an inch or two down in the tank down here. I'm going to just go for it. I don't think we need much more than that. Maybe just a tiny bit more. Cool. And one for good luck. I'm also going to put this little special piece of cloth right here. It's going to help with drainage, making sure our soil doesn't get down to the bottom. Now it is a little big. I think I might cut it. Now we put our soil on there. I think I'm going to save a little bit. Might not need it all. I got some plants I just ordered. They'll be arriving here tomorrow. We can put them in here. We might use a little more soil when we need it. Put this aside for now. Now this one rock is huge. I don't know if I want to put that in there. It's not bad. Just gonna put this for now, just so we have something to look at. Might lean it against the back actually. Back corner there. nice. Let's check out this Aqualab LED light. Should be pretty simple. Comes with our light and our power source. Now the one thing I was afraid of is I don't know if this is going to clip on here all that perfectly. We might have to makeshift something. We'll see. Awesome. So it's got off position, both blue and white LEDs, and just blue LEDs. The tank's gonna look something like this. I think we might color the back. We might either paint it or put some kind of sticker back there. And again, we're gonna have some plants coming tomorrow. We might use a couple more rocks, but we might stick to mostly plants. And again, we'll see what we'll do with it. We might put a little morning gecko or something like that.